In 1955, Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon created the first artificial intelligence program named as the logic theorist, which had been created to prove the mathematical theorems. This leads to start a new term in the computer learning called as AI, which was firstly adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy. In the 1960s, computer scientists began creating machines which are similar to robots, and the first humanoid robot was built by Japan in the year 1972. Unfortunately, it was difficult for scientists to go for any further due to the lack of advancement in data technology, and the period between the mid 1970s and the early 1990s saw a drop off in the serious developments. But in the 1990s, computers became more advanced, technology and AI capabilities took off, and they kept skyrocketing since. Smart tech has transformed countless industries over the past few decades. Some designers are concerned about AI replacing human workers. Given that the point of AI is to create machines or programs capable of self-direction and learning, this concern is also very logical. However, most experts agree that AI has the potential to make architecture easier, more efficient, and more secure, and even they free up times for humans. So let's take a deep dive into how AI is transforming and enhancing the design process for architects. Number 1. Explore better building efficiency. Software, tools, and programs can now make building calculations and environmental analysis as a simple task. There is so much data as an architect's fingerprint these days that pulling informations like temperature, weather data, material ratings, and these all requires a significant time to compile. But nowadays, it can be done much more easily. Smart tech also gives architects a way to build sustainability right into their designs. Solutions such as smart lighting or smart stormwater management systems can be worked into blueprints, ensuring better sustainability. Today, all of these resources at our fingerprints to develop architectural proposals. Number 2. Getting from point A to point B faster. When it comes to planning a building, taking shortcuts might not be a good idea. But AI can cut down the time that it takes to plan and design a structure significantly through the building information modeling. Computer-aided designs have been instrumental in creating 2D and 3D models of the building. But BIM takes that a step further and incorporates product information, time and cost, giving an architect the entire scope of the project. BIM works with other design software programs to give a full picture of the structure, including conceptual designs, detailed design analysis, documentation, manufacturing, construction, operation, and their maintenance once the building is completed. Number 3. Walk clients through a structure before it's built. Just like with the virtual reality, augmented reality has taken the video game industry by storm, and now it's finding a place in architecture and design. Firms can allow clients to have a real-world experience with their proposed building without doing anything on site. It's possible to simulate everything from aesthetics to sound, and feedback can be implemented into the design immediately before money has been spent on material or construction on site. Number 4. Update the construction process. About 7% of the world labor force is in the construction industry. Yet it has traditionally been one of the least technological advanced industries, but there is a great potential for the integration of AI into construction, and it could be reduced building cost by up to 20%. Besides using autonomous or semi-autonomous construction machinery to help with excavation and preparatory works, computers can analyze job sites and identify potential risk factors and decrease safety hazards and delays they might create. Number 5. Making buildings more secure. Business, offices, and campuses use video security cameras to monitor, but the high-speed volume of footage collected means that things may be missed if there is nobody going through the video. A smart security system integrated into the building, on the other hand, can be quickly scan and automatically detects suspicious activities and send alerts to the building owners. AI can also be used in the form of smart locking systems, which can restrict access to certain areas unless the user have a keycard or a code. And number 6, optimizing building maintenance. AI-based energy management platforms can determine users' patterns to create ideal solutions for tenants, both conserving energy and saving money. The Nest thermostat is an example of such type of system that has become popular with consumers. It adapts to keep a building at a safe and optimal temperature and can alert users if the temperature dips or rises to a dangerous degree. So as the human needs and technology evolves, AI takes the architectural achievements of humanity to the next level. So that is for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Thank you very much.